Forgotten username recovery failed on Chime Fix. You go to log into your Chime account, hit forgot username, and nothing works. The recovery email never arrives, or the system says your details don't match. Don't worry, this is a common issue, and the fix is easier than you think. First, let's clear up one big misconception. Most people assume Chime uses a separate username, but here's the surprising truth. Your Chime account is tied directly to your email or phone number. That means there isn't a traditional username to recover. You simply log in using the email or number you registered with. So, if recovery keeps failing, the issue is usually one of three things: or using the wrong email, your number isn't verified, or your account information changed. Start by checking all your inboxes, including spam and junk, for any old Chime emails. The one that received those messages is the correct login email. Next, open the Chime app or website and tap Login. Enter that email, then click Forgot Password. Resetting your password using the right email often solves the problem instantly. If you still can't get in, it's time to contact Chime support. Visit their help center or email support@chime.com. Provide your full name, the last 4 digits of your Chime debit card if you have one, and the phone number you registered with. I'll verify your identity and restore access quickly. One more tip: make sure you're not logging into a fake or old Chime page. Scammers often create lookalike sites that cause login errors. Always confirm the URL starts with Chime.com. In short, Chime doesn't actually use usernames, so your recovery issue is just a login method mix-up. Once you identify your correct email and reset your password, you'll be back in your account in no time.